We all know the BYD Seal, but here at the Bharat Mobility Expo 2025 at the BYD Pavilion, the car maker has launched the SUV body style of the Seal, and this one, it's called the Seal Lion 7. Well, what's there to check in this new electric SUV? Let's take a look. We'll now start with the front design, and in typical BYD fashion, this one gets a C design just like the Seal, and they integrate LED headlamps along with the LED DRLs. The lower half of the Seal Lion is very typical too. You've got this air inlets here, you've got radar for the ADAS module, and you've got a 360-degree camera. And the entire front is a blank of look because it's an electric vehicle. Now if you move towards the side, you will notice this sloping roof line that you can see along the side profile. Now towards the side, you can see the overall silhouette of the BYD Seal Lion, and it's got a curved roof line, and the wheels here, they are 20-inch in size, and as you move forward, you notice this chunky wheel cladding, and along the way you have got these oval rims that get an additional camera for the 360-degree view. And moving further ahead, the car also gets these plush fitting door handles, and then the curved roof line moves to the rear. And now moving to the most stylish part of the BYD Seal Lion 7, and that is its rear profile. You get this protruding roof spoiler, the rear windscreen that flows to the electric tailgate. You also have a gloss black element as the spoiler here, and then there are these tail lamps. These get a pixelated design and are connected by an illuminated light strip. Further down, you've got the gesture control for the tailgate, and then a lot of badges. You've got EV here because it's all-wheel drive, the AWD badge, and of course the BYD Seal Lion 7, 4.5 seconds. That is something which is claimed by the BYD brand, and that is what the top spec variant is claimed to touch in 0 to 100. And now it's time to check the cabin of the BYD Seal Lion. In typical BYD fashion, this one looks extremely stylish and also has some quirky bits to it. For example, door handles, they've been neatly integrated into the door pads and have this very quirky shape to it. Also new is this infotainment system. It's a massive 15.6-inch infotainment screen that can also be rotated to have a portrait view. And then there's the center console. You've got two cup holders here, more storage under the center armrest, and then this drive selector is fully crystal, which looks really cool. There are two wireless charging ports here, AC vents here, and then for the driver, you've got a 4-spoke steering wheel with a fully digital instrument cluster and a colorized heads-up display. Up here, you've got a digital IRVM and a fully glass roof. Overall, the cabin of the Seal Lion feels really premium and upmarket, just like the Seal. And now we are seated in the second row of the Seal Lion, and immediately we can tell you that it is a spacious cabin. I've got good leg room, space to put my foot away, I've got decent headroom, and there is loads of space to sit three because there's great shoulder room. In terms of safety, you've got 3 headrests for all the passengers, 3-point seat belts for all the passengers, and in terms of features, you get rear AC vents and storage on the door pockets. What's also on offer is this foldable armrest which gets storage option and 2 cup holders. Now let's talk tech. The BYD Seal Lion 7 makes use of a 85.6 kWh battery pack and can sprint from 0 to 100 in just 4.5 seconds and claiming a range of 567 kilometers. And you've got 2 options in terms of power tune. The first one is a 308 bhp motor and the second one is a 523 motor. And the charging has been placed here on its conventional position and supports both AC and DC fast charging. Now, if you want to buy the BYD Seal Lion, the bookings are open for 70,000 rupees from today, and the deliveries will begin from 7th of March 2025. There are 2 variants to choose from, premium and performance, with the same battery pack options but differently tuned power output and different range. What do you think of this SUV body style from BYD or in the form of the BYD Seal Lion? Let us know your thoughts.